So I still got lots to work on, guys. I still got a bunch of pressure washers. These are some of the bigger ones, the 13 horse belt drives. Hey guys, Machinesnmetal here. It's March. I'm back at the shop. I know I haven't posted any videos since last fall. I took off for the winter, and I'm back now. Been away for about 3 months. I don't even know if I showed you guys the tent we set up to store stuff. Right now it's got the Suzuki in there and a bunch of stuff, but we're going to be pulling a bunch of this out and moving things around. I think we've actually rented some more space in a barn down the road, way over that way, where we're going to have massive storage space for a good price. But I just thought I'd show you. Like I said, I haven't been in the shop for months, probably 3.5 months, so just thought we'd show you some of the things I'm working on. I started doing the backpack blowers, guys, that I'd collected over the last few years. Just before I left, I got a bunch of these backpack blowers running. I was going to start working on the steel backpack blowers here. I got these ones running good, ready to be posted when I got back from my trip. That one was running good, that one was running good. All these water pumps, guys, were all finished up, ready to go. I was able to list them on Marketplace before I left, but then I had to pull the ads because I wasn't able to obviously sell them while I was gone. And then over here I got these Echo blowers running to sell, and I got 3 Echo hand blowers running to sell, and I got 2 Echo weed eaters for the to sell for the springtime. So I still got lots to work on, guys. I still got a bunch of pressure washers. These are some of the bigger ones, the 13 horse belt drives, and I got a few lawnmowers, things like that. I got a couple more of those generators, and some more trimmers here to work on, plus the C-can. I'm not sure if I made a video about the C-can. I think I did, but if not, I'll do one tomorrow. I gotta go over there and grab some stuff. I got my trailer insured, so there's some more blowers down in there. Got my trailer insured, and we're gonna get back in the shop, and we're gonna make some good videos this year, guys. I'm kind of in the mood. I feel like making videos. Last year, not so much, but for some reason this year I do. And we got some car stuff that we're gonna work on. I was cleaning up in here as well. I got rid of a ton of parts. That I pretty much emptied that. Got rid of all the obsolete stuff that we're not going to use anymore, and we're going to tidy this place up and get it a little bit more organized so we can do some more videos about fixing things. So anyway, kind of just a welcome back to the shop video for me today. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and actually start working on stuff, but I thought I'd make a quick video so you guys know that, yeah, I'm still around, I'm still here, and I look forward to dropping videos for you all season long. Thanks for watching.